Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to teach you about the vertebrates in class 7 biology. In previous video I already told you about all the phylums which comes in invertebrates. So today I am going to start vertebrates. And what are vertebrates? Those who are having backbone. That means animals with backbone. So in this subkingdom, first I will start with the Pisces. And what are Pisces? These are related with the fishes. So if I am going to discuss about the fish, so first is related with the skeleton. Fishes, they may be skeleton made up of cartilage और bone. That means skeleton cartilage का भी बना हो सकता है जो soft होगा और bone का भी बना हो सकता है. Their body is scaly, पूरी body पे scales present होते हैं as well as streamlined body. स्ट्रीमलाइन मीन्स आगे से भी टेपरिंग होती है, बैक साइड से भी टू फॉर द रेजिस्टेंस इन एयर एंड वाटर. देन द नेक्स्ट दे आर हैविंग फिन्स टू स्विम एंड दे ब्रीथ थ्रू गिल्स. Next characteristic of the fishes that is also very important, that means they are the cold-blooded animals. And what is cold-blooded? What is the meaning of cold-blooded? Cold-blooded is the meaning that means their body temperature changes as the temperature of surrounding is changed. That means उनके surrounding का अगर temperature change होगा तो they can also change their body temperature. And examples, as I will talk about the skeleton, skeletal fish. So skeleton fish में रोहू and cartilage fish की बात करेंगे. So we are having shark. And number of fishes are also there which comes in this example. Now next move toward the another group, that is the amphibians. So amphibian, it is again made up of two words. Amphi means होता है two and bians means life. That means ये dual life survive करते हैं. That means they can live on land and water both. दोनों जगह पर सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या होगी? दे सर्वाइव इन, इनकी लाइफ साइकिल में दो स्टेज होती हैं. लाइफ साइकिल हैविंग टू स्टेजेस. फर्स्ट इज द लार्वल स्टेज एंड सेकेंड इज द एडल्ट स्टेज. नाउ the skin, come towards the skin. They are having moist and slimy skin. And they are having webbed feet. Now they respire through moist skin. Moist skin through underwater. That means जब ये वाटर के अंदर होंगे तो दे रिस्पायर थ्रू द मॉइस्ट स्किन and through lungs and through lungs on land. Now, these amphibians they are also cold-blooded animals, and examples, if we are going to talk about the examples, frog is the example of this amphibians. Now, next move toward the another group of vertebrates, that is reptiles. Now, if we are going to discuss about the reptiles, so these reptiles mostly terrestrial होते हैं. इनकी स्किन बहुत रफ होती है, वेरी रफ स्किन एंड ड्राई स्किन, ड्राई एंड स्केली स्किन. They are also cold-blooded. They respire through lungs and the examples are, for reptiles, examples are snake, lizard, crocodile, etc. Now, next move toward the other group, that is the aves, in which we are going to discuss about the birds. So birds, as you all know, birds are also having a streamlined body. Then after, four limb means आगे वाले पैर, four limb modified into feathers to fly. They are having hollow bones. हॉलो बोन्स क्या करेंगी, दे मेक द बॉडी ऑफ बर्ड्स लाइट, उनकी बॉडी को लाइट करेंगी सो दैट दे कैन फ्लाई, वो ईजिली फ्लाई कर पाएँ. नाउ टिल नाउ यू वर स्टडीड अबाउट द कोल्ड ब्लडेड, बट द बर्ड्स आर वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल्स. नाउ covered with feather. अभी कोल्ड ब्लडेड क्या था कि उन एनिमल्स का बॉडी टेम्परेचर सराउंडिंग बॉडी टेम्परेचर के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज हो जाता था, पर वार्म ब्लडेड में क्या होगा, दे कैन नॉट चेंज देयर बॉडी टेम्परेचर एज द टेम्परेचर चेंज इन देयर सराउंडिंग, अपने बॉडी टेम्परेचर को चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द examples, so number of birds are there which you are already knowing, sparrow, crow, pigeon, number of examples are there. Now next move toward the last group, that is mammals. Now the mammals are mostly terrestrial. Terrestrial means land पे रहने वाले. Body covered with hair, that is the important characteristic of mammals. Body covered with hair or fur, you can also say. Now they are viviparous. Viviparous means they give birth to young ones. Now the females, जो भी इतनी भी फीमेल्स होती हैं मैमल्स में, they bears mammary gland. Females bear mammary gland to feed their young ones with milk. That means जितनी भी females होती हैं they are having mammary gland through which they can feed their young ones with milk. They are having 2 pairs of limb. And they are also warm blooded. And if I am going to discuss about the examples, so cat, dog, human, all these are comes in the examples of mammals. Okay, so this is all about the vertebrates, in which I told you about the 5 groups, that is the Pisces, then after amphibians, then after reptiles, then after birds and the mammals. So I hope you all are enjoying the videos and you all are understanding the things which I am going to explain, which you जो भी मैं आपको explain कर रही हूँ वो आप सबको समझ में आ रहा है. Now this chapter is now over here. We will meet in the next chapter in next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.